Now in this question, we are asked to explain why negative 11 is less than negative 10. On the number line, we can use simple number line to answer this question. Though the number line is not correct, let me try again and see if I'll get a correct and a straight line. So we have this beautiful number line here. I want to use this to explain our point. Now on the number line, numbers that are to the right are always bigger than numbers that are to the left. So let's say we have 0 and we have 1 here. It is true that 0 is lesser than 1. So we increase in this direction.